Oh, and remember, subscribe for our channel, click the bell button, and click the like button. And so, guys, I just got another part 3 delivery. It's arrived and came, so I'm going to tell my dad to help me. Dad!
Yeah, baby.
Can you help me? I cannot open this. When I remember, I just told my friends that I can't use it because I might cut it.
No problem. I'm coming. Here you go. I open it. It's open now.
Okay, guys, now it's open and I can't wait. Watch this. Oh my God! It's a spider! It's a toy spider! It's spider! Well, by the time it comes a remote and a spider toy, and I can't wait how to open it. Wait, where? Oh.
You like it?
Yeah! Guys, let me open it.
Let's see what you have. Open it. You want help again? Let me open
Yeah.
it. Okay, so let me open it. We do it from here or here. Can you hold the box, please?
Of course. Dad?
Turn
Okay.
it over. From this way. Let me cut this one.
Change that.
Yes, let me cut this one. Hold it. Hold your box, please. Thank you. I think it's open now. Try it.
Okay, Dad. It's open. Whoa. Whoa, my gosh. Jackpot. Jackpot. Whoa. Look, guys. And what's this? And what's that? So, guys,
Figure it out. Let me cut the.
okay, Dad, you can open it. So, hurry, please, Dad.
There you go.
Okay, Dad, let me get it. Wait, what? I think we need to get the battery.
You gotta figure it out where the battery goes.
I know it goes here.
So open it.
Wait, I think we need a screwdriver.
Screwdriver. Let me grab it for you.
Okay, guys, so my daddy just got me a screwdriver, and let's open it, guys. Oh, I forgot. You must read this instruction. If you don't read it, you never know what you have to do. So, guys, but let me check if there's instructions here. Oh, I think I feel something. Oh, yes, the instructions. Wait, what? It always has screwdriver. Cool, guys, look.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
That's nice.
Wait, open it. Wait, what? So I just got it, and I just opened it, like, blah, 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 blah. So let me read the instructions. Okay. Page, okay.
So you gotta see what's going on, what you have to do first, right?
Yeah, because we never know what we have to do.
What's going on here? Show me.
Okay.
This sheet here.
Okay, guys, that's next to me. So, guys. Okay, guys. So, do you want to read the instruction with me?
Yes. Let's see it together.
Okay, so,
See
okay.
this page.
Oh, we had to add water.
Okay, what else?
And we need 3 battery for this, 2 battery for that.
Okay.
So, let's read the next page.
Page.
Okay. So we need this little pumper.
Oh you need some pump or just for water. I think. You gotta
Yeah,
fill water.
I think it goes under
that's
in
over.
there. Okay, let's do it.
Do you want to use the other way? The other way?
This way?
No, this way.
Okay, guys.
Yeah, you got it now.
I think it's this way. Let's do it. Wait, guys, how do you know?
It's open.
Oh yes, I did it.
Good job.
Wait, let me get
How
the
many
bag.
badges you need?
I think we need 5.
Badges. Okay, here you go.
Thanks, guys.
You put it in the right way?
We must put that one to this one, and this one to like this way. So I got the last one. Whoa! You hear it? Let's check, guys, if it works now. What?
You just didn't put badge in the remote, right?
Oh, I forgot. Silly me.
If the screwdriver is big, you can use this small one that's on the back.
Wait, how? What is not getting? Guys, can you open it?
Hold it. Hold it, please. There you go.
I did it. Ooh, I think this one's for the water, so the water don't fall. So guys, let me do it. Oh yes, I did it.
The other way, the other way. Yeah. I think that's so small. Do you want Daddy to help you?
Dad, can you help me? Thanks.
No worries. Hold it tight. Can you put it on the floor? Can you hold it, please?
Of course. Oh, Dad, you almost
That's it.
did it now. I did. You did it? Oh no. Oh guys, can you give me those ones? Thanks. Guys. There. And let me check if it works now. Whoa! Oh, it has music.
Right. What
Oh.
if you put the water?
Okay, let me get it out. Oh, I did it. Wait, where's that? Oh, got it.
Maybe turn
Found.
it off first.
Guys, let me get it off. I got it. Guys, let me go and get the...
Wait, I'll grab you, don't worry.
Don't worry. Okay, thanks, guys. Thanks, guys.
Can you show us, please?
See, guys, you get this and you squish it there. And guys, you get this and put your back.
I think it's full. I think it's full. Can you see? Yeah, it's full. It's good.
Okay, guys, it's worth it.
There.
Oh, I got it. I found it. There we go.
Put it nicely. Make sure you put it correctly. I don't want the water's coming back. Okay, it's perfect.
Okay, guys. Let me check if this works. Oh, I forgot. We must get this one sorted. Okay, guys. Let me get it. Okay, guys. Look. Oh! Oh! There's a fire there! Oh, scary. It can always go back. So, guys. Okay, guys. Alright, so let's check if it.
Wow.
Okay, guys.
That's cool, man.
Let me get to you. Oh, it's only me. Well, guys, it's so cool, but it's really scary and nicely. I like this. Look, come here, run. Fire, do your choice. Well, guys, so cool and super cool and bigger. So, guys, I can go back clear. Whoa! Okay, guys, let me keep spinning it. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, guys, it's so cool.
Turn it first so you can see.
Whoa, guys, so cool. I like it. Guys, look at the rainbow, guys. You see it? Look.
Okay, show us how it works.
Okay, guys, you see? When you press this, it's coming.
Okay.
When you press that one, okay, guys, so you see the remote and the spider over there? So, you see it? So I explain it. So this is the music, this is right and back, and this is for the turning, and these screens, these are for the sprays, steams. See, you see those steams? Okay, guys, so let me use the music. You like his music? Okay. Wow.
It's nice colors.
It's nice colors. So the water, so guys, remember I just showed you, we just got the water, we put it by the bottom. And, oh, come on. That's nice.
Like it?
Yeah. Nice, PPP, nice. Look, I like it, thank you.
Right.
Come on.
Do you like it?
Yeah, Dad, thank you. Come on, baby, you're so nice. Be kind, I like it. Baby. So guys, so I think this is the mouth by eating the hands, and I think this is I like your eyes, and I like your legs and your hands. You're the best. Whoa. Come on. Whoa. Thanks for being. I can touch them.
Is it hot or no?
It's not hot, it's cold water. It's drink water. So it's drink water, and you can only fill it. And guys, it's on the Amazon. Just type spider with toy with controller, and when you see this, you watch a video and you get instructions so you can remember how to use it. And guys, subscribe to my channel, click the bell button, or else my new friend Spider going to eat you. Bye.